Welcome back to the Crypto Angel channel. I'll be live tonight at 5 p.m. Central Time, because it is Saturday. So let's look at Giggle. I first time I've looked at this in a while, and it does look like it wants to get a bounce. It's really quite crazy what's happened with this. But at this point, like it came all the way from 284 all the way back down to $41, which is just, I mean, trend analysis. If you could have shorted that from the top to the low, even if you were within 10% of the top, shorting that, and then you sold within 10% of the bottom, you did pretty good. Because the money flow right here says buy, and if you would sell when it said buy, you would have done well. Anyways, I digress. So the money flow now says buy right here. That's the green dot. You're oversold on the stock RSI on the 2-hour time frame, and right now you're in a falling wedge with the measured move of about $360, which suggests you could get a new all-time high possibly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a shot on a long here, and I just want to tell you guys that I'm going long here, and this is not financial advice, but I'm going to go long here. Stop at 114.72, or honestly, 114.115 would work. Take profit, really, if being conservative, I would say would be about 355, 360. I'll do 350, 352, because that's where my line fell at. Or you could even do 350. But then, so 350 is your take profit. Stop loss would be 115. Let me just see how, I would say 115.53. So then the idea is that we would open a long position or take profits all up here, and you can kind of get the risk to reward ratio and see what your risk is in the trade. And I don't do this for every trade. I really should. I'd probably lose less trades if I did this. If it's below 3-1, you shouldn't take the trade. And if you don't have time, if you're entering trades so fast that you don't do this, then maybe you're over trading as well. And I've done that many times. So anyways, this is kind of what I see going on here. So I see this probably getting a bounce back to 360. Now, obviously, you could take out 114, and it's game over. But as far as I can see right now, it looks somewhat interesting for a possible long here. That's kind of what I see going on here, is a long on Giggle coin. So, you could wait for the smaller time frames to reset on the stock RSI. That's not a bad idea, all things considered. But I really like the 2-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is oversold. The 6-hour time frame is oversold. And you have the 4-hour time frame curving up on the stock RSI ever so slightly, which to me that's just barely, but it's possibly the start. I will say money flow is coming up, but just be cautious. Like it's not, I would say it's a 50-50 trade if you win this based on the trend. But I do think the trend has to reverse here. It doesn't have to, but I would expect it to. So that's kind of what I see going on here on Giggle coin, and that's my analysis. I'll see you guys at 5 p.m. Central Time. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I post a video, and I'll see you guys in the live stream here at 5 p.m. Central Time. It should be a pretty fun live stream based on what the market is doing right now. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.